In this video, we will look at Stack Overflow developer survey results. Our 90,000 developers responded to the poll in 2023. This year's participants are 20,000 more developers than in 2022. Stack Overflow has been doing this survey for 13 years. This is the voice of the developer, answering questions on how they learn and advance their skills. Each year, Stack Overflow explores the tools and technologies developers are currently using and the ones they want to use in future. In this survey, they also included questions about AI tools. In this video section, we will talk about programming languages, databases, cloud platforms, web frameworks, other tools, IDE, or integrated development environment. First, let's see most popular technology. This year, they compared popular technologies across 3 different groups: our respondents, professional developers, and those data learning to code. Number 1, programming languages, programming, scripting, and markup languages. For the 11th year in a row, JavaScript will continue to be the most widely used programming language in 2023. Python has overtaken SQL as the third most commonly used language, but placing first for those who are not professional developers or learning to code. Professional developers of the top 3 technologies are the same as last year: JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and SQL. But it's a different picture for those learning to code. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are almost tied as the most popular languages for people learning to code. Student developers use Python more than SQL, while professionals use SQL more than Python. Compared to professional developers, those learning to code are more likely to report using Java, C++, and C#. These are top tech used by professionals. The first one is JavaScript, 65.8%. The second one is HTML, CSS with 52%. Third, we have SQL, and fourth is Python, about 45.3%. And C#, C++, and PHP are in the top 10 tech. But if we look at learning to code respondents, then Python is number 3 and SQL is at 4. But HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the same. While in other coders, Python is the number 1 programming language. According to professional developers, TypeScript is 43.7%, Bash shells are 32.7%. Java is still popular with 30%. According to this survey, Java is still the 4th important language. C#, C++, and PHP in the top 10 tech, but C is losing its popularity. Now let's talk about databases. This year, PostgreSQL replaced MySQL as a top